Hi, my name is Saujanya. I am studying in first standard. My school name is St. Philomena's High School, Chandapura branch.
States and capitals.
States and capitals: Andhra Pradesh, Amravati; Arunachal Pradesh, Itanagar; Assam, Dispur; Bihar, Patna; Chhattisgarh, Raipur; Goa, Panaji; Gujarat, Gandhinagar; Haryana, Chandigarh; Himachal Pradesh, Shimla; Jharkhand, Ranchi; Karnataka, Bengaluru; Kerala, Thiruvananthapuram; Madhya Pradesh, Bhopal; Maharashtra, Mumbai; Manipur, Imphal; Meghalaya, Shillong; Mizoram, Aizawl; Nagaland, Kohima; Odisha, Bhubaneswar; Punjab, Chandigarh; Rajasthan, Jaipur; Sikkim, Gangtok; Tamil Nadu, Chennai; Telangana, Hyderabad; Tripura, Agartala; Uttaranchal, Dehradun; Uttar Pradesh, Lucknow; West Bengal, Kolkata. Preamble. We the people of India have solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic, and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic, and political liberty of expression, belief, stay, and worship, equality of prayer, and opportunity, and the unity and integrity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby and to give to ourselves this Constitution.
Union territories with their capitals.
Union territories with a capital: Andaman, Nicobar Islands, Cople, Chandigarh, Dadra, Nagar Holi, Silvassa, Daman, Diu, Daman, Delhi, Udali, Lakshadweep, Karavati, Pondicherry.
Prime Minister of India.
Prime Ministers of India: Jawaharlal Nehru, Gujalila Nanda, Lal Bahadur Shastri, Indira Gandhi, Morarji Desai, Charan Singh, Rajiv Gandhi, Vikshana Pratap Singh, Chandrasekhar, P.V. Narasimha Rao, Atal Bihari Vajpayee, H.D. Yedegowda, Indira Kumar Gujarat, Manmohan Singh, Narendra Modi.
7 continents.
7 continents: Asia, Africa, Europe, North America, South America, Antarctica, Australia.
5 oceans of world.
5 oceans of Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Arctic Ocean.
Official languages of India.
Official languages of India: Assami, Bengali, Gujarati, Hindi, Kannada, Kashmiri, Konkani, Malayalam, Marathi, Odia, Punjabi, Sanskrit, Tamil, Telugu, Urdu.
4 Vedas.
4 Vedas: Rigveda, Yajurveda, Samaveda, Atharvana Veda.
Dashavatara of Lord Vishnu.
Dashavatara of Lord Vishnu: Matsya, Kurma, Varaha, Narasimha, Vamana, Parshurama, Rama, Krishna, Buddha, Kalaki.
Gnanapita Awards winners in Karnataka.
Gnanapita Awards winners in Karnataka: Kuvempu, Dr. B.R. Bendre, Shivaram Karam, Masti Venkatesha Iyengar, V.K. Goka, U.R. Anantamurthy, Girish Khanna, Chandrasekhar Kambala.
Fundamental rights.
Fundamental rights, rights to equality, rights to freedom, right against exploitation, right to freedom of citizen, right against exploitation, right to religion.
6 ಋತುಗಳು.
6 ಋತುಗಳು: ವಸಂತ ಋತು, ಗ್ರೀಷ್ಮ ಋತು, ವರ್ಷ ಋತು, ಶರತ್ ಋತು, ಹೇಮಂತ ಋತು, ಶಿಶಿರ ಋತು.
12 ಮಾಸಗಳು.
12 ಮಾಸಗಳು: ಚೈತ್ರ, ವೈಶಾಖ, ಜ್ಯೇಷ್ಠ, ಆಷಾಢ, ಶ್ರಾವಣ, ಭಾದ್ರಪದ, ಆಶ್ವೀಜ, ಕಾರ್ತೀಕ, ಮಾರ್ಗಶಿರ, ಪುಷ್ಯ, ಮಾಘ, ಫಲ್ಗುಣ.
Antonyms: in,
out,
up,
down,
from,
to,
on,
off,
top,
bottom,
over,
under,
above,
below,
after,
before,
inside,
outside,
near,
far,
next,
previous,
behind,
in front of,
against,
along,
big,
small,
yes,
no,
wet,
dry,
hot,
cold,
new,
old,
day,
night,
bad,
good,
sad,
happy,
by.
cell,
Genders: male,
female,
boy,
girl,
brother,
sister,
father,
mother,
grandfather,
grandmother,
son,
daughter,
daddy,
mummy,
papa,
mama,
uncle,
aunt,
gentleman,
ladies,
husband,
wife,
man,
woman,
nephew,
nice,
sir,
madam,
bull,
cow,
cock,
hen,
dog,
bridge,
lion,
lioness,
tiger,
tigress,
peacock,
peahen,
king,
wing,
actor,
actors,
prince,
princess,
milkman.
milkmaid.
Major rivers of India:
Major rivers of India: Brahmaputra, Ganga, Godavari, Indus, Kaveri, Krishna, Mahanadi, Narmada, Periyar, Tamirabarani, Vaigai, Yamuna.
solar system:
Solar system: Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, Pluto.
5 different shapes of moon:
5 different shapes of moon: gid of moon, dipper moon, crescent moon, half moon, new moon, full moon.
7 days in a week:
7 days in a week: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday.
12 months in a year:
12 months in a year. 12 months in a year: January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December.
5 vowels:
5 vowels: A, E, I, O, U.
4 ದಿಕ್ಕುಗಳು:
4 ದಿಕ್ಕುಗಳು: ಪೂರ್ವ, ಪಶ್ಚಿಮ, ಉತ್ತರ,